Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Solve this Java method overloading problem by tracking object states. We will calculate the final values for alpha and beta to find the sum. Initially, alpha starts at 3 and beta starts at 2. Calling alpha update with 1 uses the single integer method, adding 1 to 3, which makes the new alpha value 4. Next, alpha update with 2 and 3 uses the 2-parameter method. We multiply 4 by 2 and subtract 3, so alpha becomes 5. Then beta update squares 2 to get 4. Finally, we add alpha's 5 and beta's 4. This addition gives us 9, meaning option B is correct. You nailed this logic. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.